Today I am sharing 5 important tips that you need to do to instantly improve your photography. These tips aren't about buying new camera or lens or using specific camera settings. It's more about practical, easy to do but oftentimes overlooked things that you can apply right away to improve your photography. First tip is to shoot more often. It's just a simple math. If you shoot more often, you have more practice. More practice means more experience, and more experience means better picture. If you don't feel like carrying your big camera, your serious camera to practice photography, you can just use your phone instead. I think for practice, smartphone cameras are more than good enough. However, when you practice, it's important to be intentional with your practice. Don't just shoot the same thing over and over. Try new things, experiment with new stuff, try new photography genres, try to find a new subject, and try to be out of your comfort zone. I think it's very important. By doing that, you'll give yourself a chance to learn a new thing rather than just doing something that you already know how to do and you're already comfortable with. Next step, aggressively cull your photos. So every time you got back from taking pictures, always review your pictures and try to select your keeper shots, the very best ones. The key here is to be very ruthless to yourself. Only select the very best ones that really cause your attention and don't select any that doesn't make you feel anything. That's the secret. Don't feel sorry for yourself for not selecting that many pictures. This is part of the learning process. After you select your best pictures, next step is to learn from those pictures. What features do they have that really caught your attention? Is it the composition? Is it the angle? Or is it the lighting? Or the certain mood that they create that makes you feel something inside? The key here is to be honest with yourself. Why you like those photos and try to take notes of them. Again, this is your own photography, so you don't have to really care about other people's opinion. But then what we really want to do is to come up with some pattern. Oh, I like photographs with this kind of composition, from this kind of angle, with this kind of subject placement, with this layering system, with the foreground, midground, background, that kind of stuff. You want to come up with these patterns and take notes of them. Now you want to write down that list of things that you like from your photograph, maybe inside your phone or in a small notebook that you can easily carry around so that you can bring it and access it when you're out and about shooting pictures. Next step is to apply what you have learned on your next photo shoot. So you need to go out again, take some pictures, but this time instead of just taking pictures, take out your notes, read from it the list of the things that you like from your previous photos, and you want to try to incorporate things from those lists to your next photo shoot. After that, what you need to do is just to repeat the process all over again. Go out, practice some more, try new things, and then when you get back home, take some time to review your pictures and select the very best ones, and then take notes, learn from what you like from those pictures, and then go out again, repeat and do it multiple times, and I'm sure you will now start to improve your photography significantly. And that wraps up today's video. So hopefully this has been interesting, inspiring, informative, and helpful for you. Makes you take better pictures, hopefully. So yeah, once again, in my channel, I don't want to just talk about cameras and lenses all the time. I want to also help you improve your photography by sharing tips like this. But anyway, if you want more detailed kind of tips, I made an ebook that you can check out. I will put the link on my website right here. It's garyw.website, and the ebook is called Simplifying Travel Photography. Well, there's the name travel photography in the title, but it's actually very general. You can apply to other photography genres as well, such as landscape, street photography, portrait, and maybe product photography. It's just a very nice set of tips that I have based on my experience of doing photography for more than 10 years. I cannot really remember how long did I start photography, but yeah, you might want to check that out, and hopefully that's something that you'll be interested in. Also, don't forget to support my channel by liking this video, sharing this video, subscribing to my channel down below. And if you want to support my channel even further, consider using the affiliate links on the description below. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.